So once the differential is removed from the car, you're going to remove the 6 small bolts holding the cover to the differential, as well as the 4 larger bolts. Shouldn't be too hard. Next, you're going to pop open the differential cover itself. And once the differential cover is removed, it'll be easy to pull out the entire assembly. Next, you're going to remove a small little rod that holds the main, I'm not sure what it's called, I believe it's the pinion, to lock the gears in place. Just going to go ahead and remove that. And then from there, you're going to want to remove the actual pinion. The way we did this was we took a small rod and just kind of hammered it out. You do it whichever way you find easiest, but it's pretty simple. Next, you're going to remove the, I believe it was 10 bolts that hold the ring gear in place to the rest of the assembly. And again, it shouldn't be too hard. Finally, pop off the main ring gear from the assembly itself. And then we'll move on to removing the smaller gears, so it shouldn't be too hard. Cool. So once that's popped off, you'll have the assembly removed. Remove the rod that holds the gears in place. And you'll be ready to move on to the next step, which is going to be kind of removing all the old gasket silicone from the differential cover itself. This is what holds the differential oil in place. Go ahead and just shave that off with a knife or razor, whatever you want to do. Just make sure it's pretty flat and clean, because you're going to be reapplying new gasket sealer when you finish the assembly. So once that's done, you're going to have the small spider gears as well as the 2 larger gears from the inside removed. And it should look something like this. So you're going to be removing around 7 to 8 millimeters off of the small gears, and then about 5 to 6 off of the larger gears. And don't worry too much, because it's not really going to be causing that much of an issue in terms of its thinness, the width. I mean, you can get by with anywhere down to a 1/4 inch and it'll still be fine. They're really, really strong gears. Just go ahead and shave those down with a machine or a lathe, whatever you want to use. Grinder as well. Just go ahead and shave that down. Like I said, the small gears are 7 to 8 millimeters, and the large gears are going to be anywhere from 5 to 7. We actually did about 6.5 on ours. And then you're going to want to go ahead and just reinstall everything, which is, and the reinstallation of the differential assembly is the same as the removal. And once you get the Traction Concepts Conversion Kit back in, put the gears together, everything together, put the pin back in, and you should be good to go. Just go ahead and remove the 2 small dowels and clips, and then reassemble the differential. Really simple, and it does its job well.